Radio Shouty.
I know you said you had some encounters with the big homie Snoop Dogg, man.
Yeah.
Blowing the loud. I mean, tell me about that, man.
Nah, we wouldn't. It wasn't loud.
Oh man.
This was beyond loud.
Oh man.
This was yelling. hey, you know, when we was up and coming before I met Snoop, I was under the impression I was like, yeah, you know, I smoke like Snoop. But when I met Snoop, I was under the impression that I was wrong. Cause no, I wasn't ready. I thought I was. I was an OG smoker.
Oh man.
I'm an OG smoker.
Yeah.
No, he OG triple OG. he don't play the radio, the stereo, the club speaker.
He ain't playing.
Nah.
He ain't playing.
He don't play the PlayStation, the Xbox. This was real life. I said, wait a minute. Hold up. Time out. He said, no, nephew. Once you in, you in. I said, I can't tag out. Come on now. You're like, you gotta hit all these. Alright. I did.
How many blunts was it though?
His entourage, it had to be at least I say it was 20 with him. It was me and Kane. I had 2 bodyguards, so that made 24. So you had all of us rolling 2 blunts apiece. Woo! And we had to fire them all up at one time. And when this first one was gone, we had to fire a second one. By the time the first one was gone and we were rotating all of them, I didn't want to fire up the second one. You know, I was trying to hand him his blunt back, like, you know, appreciate it. You want me to get his back to you?
Man.
He was like, no, you got to fire that up, nephew. I said, look, I'm out.
Exactly.
But, you know, hung on in there.
Yeah.
But after that, boy, hey, we raided the food.
Yeah. Oh, my God.
Kane took a nap first, then raided the food. Cause Kane had went to sleep and he was like, hey nephew, where little man at? I said, I don't know. I said, I think he done went to sleep. He said, no, ain't no going to sleep, nephew. go tell little man to come on back in there. You know, I had to go wake Kane up, Jay. Snoop said, come on back.
Oh man, that was crazy.
Yeah. So, you know, I smoke something like Snoop.
Radio Shouty.